So you've been invited on a trip. Awesome. Your trip may look a little bit different to this. However, all the sections we go through will be the same. They might just be labelled slightly differently. As you scroll down, you'll see your trip details and trip name. You will also then see your name, as your trip planner has personalised this page for you. On the left is the main menu, and we'll go through each one of these. The first one is the high-level plan. Your planner will have made a description at the top here, and as you scroll down, you will see all the high-level items. You can go through each day and see what items fall on which day, and you can opt in and out of particular items. As you continue to scroll down, you will see a map with all the locations of each item and where the trip will explore. On the left, you'll also see a section with a detailed itinerary, who can come, costs and payment terms, and also details to ask your trip planner any questions. So if you're keen and like the look of the trip, you can register your interest. Here you will be able to put in your details, which will be pre-filled if you've been invited. You can also enter a comment or a message to your planner. Great, you've registered. You'll also receive an email in your inbox. The next step is to complete your profile, where you can register your dietary requirements, anything about you, and your phone number. You also have access to the payment terms, and here you can see how much you owe and if any deposit is due. You'll also have access to your task list. These are important tasks needing to be done by a specific due date. You'll also receive email reminders about completing these on time. And your resources hub. This is where your planner may upload documents that are important for your trip and where you can find all the documents you may have uploaded via any important tasks you've completed. Don't forget, you can also go back into your high-level plan or detailed itinerary and opt in and opt out of particular items as such. And they will automatically be sent to your trip planner. So it's as easy as that. Enjoy your trip.